Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best quiet PC case. Here are the top 3 quiet PC cases that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Corsair Carbide Series 100R. It has a more mature, understated design that fits well into any setup. Its fans can power on overdrive when performance requires it. Sleek fans give builders a head start on cooling their system. It is USB 3.0 compatible for modern connectivity. The tool-free side door makes access to the case's interior a breeze. At number 2. BeQuiet Silent Base 802 Window Black. It has an interchangeable top cover and front panel for either maximum airflow or silent operation. It has extra thick insulation mats for improved noise reduction. It can decouple the motherboard tray, which can be relocated for an inverted layout. Its top bracket ensures easy installation of radiators and fans. Its tinted and tempered glass side window allows a superb view. At number 1. Fractal Design Define 7 Black and White. Its high-density sound damping helps maintain whisper silent operation. It can convert to storage layout and install up to 14 HDDs alongside 4 dedicated SSDs mounts. 3 Dynamic X2 GP14 fans come pre-installed with room to expand up to a total of 9 fans. Its multi-bracket lets you convert any new fan position to an HDD, SSD, or pump mount. Its brushed aluminum encases a refined front door design with dual-handed reversible hinges and magnetic latching. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.